Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover data formatting. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover number formatting. Number format is available under java.text package. I have declared variable of type double to store number and assigned value. I have created locale object for India and US. Created number format using getInstance and getNumberInstance method, which are same. And formatting number using format method. Created currency format using getCurrencyInstance method. And formatting the number in currency using format method. In the next program, I am going to cover decimal formatting. Decimal format is available under java.text package. I have declared variable of type double to store number and assigned positive and negative value. Created object for decimal format. We can apply pattern using apply pattern method and format numbers using format method. Also, we can define pattern for positive and negative numbers separated by semicolon using apply pattern method and format numbers using format method. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style formatting syntax. Syntax is percentage, optional index dollar, optional flags, optional width, optional dot precision, and mandatory conversion character. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style index. We can omit index dollar, which is called as ordinary index, or implicit index. We can explicitly specify index, using index dollar, which is called as explicit index. And we can use less than symbol to refer to previous index, which is called as relative index. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style flags. We can use hyphen to left justify. Default is right justify. We can use hash to display number in alternate form. Plus sign to add plus sign for positive numbers. Space to add one space before number. 0 to pad zeros. Comma to add locale separator. And bracket to enclose number within brackets for negative numbers. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style width and precision. For string, precision is used to truncate string, and width is used for space padding. For numbers, precision is used to set decimal precision, and width is used for space padding. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style data type conversion. Conversion character for Boolean is small b or capital B. Conversion character for character is small c or capital C. Conversion character for integral type is small d. Small o for octal. Small x or capital X for hexadecimal. Conversion character for floating point is small e or capital E for scientific notation. Small f for float. Small g or capital G for scientific or float, whichever is smaller. And small a or capital A for hexadecimal exponential. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style time conversion. I have created object for zone date time to store current zone date time using now method. We can get 2-digit hour in 24-hour format using capital H. 2-digit hour without leading 0 in 24-hour format using small k. 2-digit hour in 12-hour format, using capital I. 2-digit hour without leading zero in 12-hour format, using small l. 2-digit minute, using capital M. 2-digit second, using capital S. 3-digit millisecond, using capital L. 9-digit nanosecond, using capital N. AM or PM, using small p. Numeric time zone offset, using small z. String time zone offset, using capital Z. Seconds from epoch, using small s. Milliseconds from epoch, using capital Q. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style date conversion. I have created object for local date to store current local date using now method. We can get 4-digit year using capital Y. First 2-digit year using capital C. Last 2-digit year using small y. Month name using capital B. Month name abbreviation using small b or small h. Month number using small m. Day of year using small j. Day of month using small d. Day of month without leading zero using small e. Day of week name using capital A. Day of week name abbreviation using small a. In the next program, I am going to cover printf style date time conversion. I have created object for zone date time to store current zone date time using now method. We can get time in 24-hour, minute format using capital R. Time in 24-hour, minute, second format using capital T. Time in 12-hour, minute, second, AM or PM format using small r. Date in MMDDYY using capital D. Date in YYYYMMDD using capital F. Date in day, month, DD. Hour, minute, second, GMT, year, using small c. Also, we can start with percentage capital T to display date time format in capital. In the next program, I am going to cover formatter class. Formatter is available under java.util package. I have created object for string builder. Created object for formatter using object of string builder. We can format using format method, which will store the formatted result in string builder object. And we can display the result using string builder object dot to string method. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.